Hello everyone, I want to do another makeup tutorial and I want to actually use Earth because in my last makeup video, if you have watched that, I've never used these colors and I think they are so stunning. Again, you know me with my eyeshadows, I'm just something else when it comes to eyeshadow. Anyway, so I'm just gonna be taking my Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer and I already put on sunscreen and we're just gonna do a glowy look because it makes me feel good. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I have an exam tomorrow. It's like a in-studio exam. It's like 45 minutes long and there's so many tasks you have to do and it's just like so nerve-wracking because someone's just over your shoulder taking notes as you're like doing everything and it's just like insane. Taking Too Faced Born this way. I'm gonna take a pump and dot it around. Also, I fake tan. I'm going to also mix it with a bit of my Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm just gonna put like half a pump, like the smallest amount. I don't wanna go too crazy. I'm just thinking like how fast time is going by. This is like the last month of my semester or my term. Oh my gosh. I still can't believe time is going by so fast. And then like the first term students, I still feel like they're just started and then I feel like I just started this semester. So I'm just like, and it's already almost over. I'm just enjoying school way too much, I think. And I never thought I would say that in a billion years that I would actually enjoy school. And like I would actually look forward to waking up every morning. And also staying till like 11 p.m. every night. Yesterday in the studio, I was in there till like 10:30. I was just studying away. And then it like got me thinking of like me and my like long shower thinking sessions about life. Just thinking too, I'm just like, okay, well what's gonna happen after me just freaking out per usual? I'm gonna take my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Light Media. This is the really old packaging. Still trying to use this up. But it's still good and I'm still gonna use it. I love this concealer so much. It's like by far my favorite under eye concealer of all time, like hands down. It's just so thick and moisturizing. It does not crease at all because it's like not drying at all. I've been like thinking more, I'm like after school I'm like, what am I gonna do? Honestly, it's almost over. I knew it was gonna go by so fast. Like I already knew it from the start because I knew I was gonna love it so much, and usually things you enjoy, they tend to like just run through your fingers. Like they just pass so fast. I'm literally trying to enjoy every single second of my time here, but then at the same time I'm thinking like, why am I grasping on something so hard that I'm a part of, hoping that it'll last forever? But in reality, that's not how life works. Like life is a continuation and it's changing every single day, whether you like it or not, and we're moving forward. And I'm just thinking to myself again, it's like, why am I grasping on so hard and clenching on so hard to this experience when again it is gonna be over? I'm trying so hard to kind of, I guess, hold on to the feeling of that comfort and like that joy, I guess. But like when I know that it is going to pass, it just like made me feel, it's like we're so comfortable with like what feels good, and sometimes that good feeling we're experiencing now, you have to think, it's like, is that it? Like, is that the end all be all? Are there not going to be any more better things that are going to happen after it? And like that honestly applies to everything though. Like when I was thinking in the shower this morning, oh man, we're getting real deep today. All right, I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows with NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. Very nice. There we go, nice and snatched. Okay, I'm going to set my under eyes now with Coty Airspun. Oh my gosh, there's water on my brush. What the heck? I'm just gonna bronze with my Marc Jacobs. Yeah, I'm just like, as I was thinking about this, I was like, I know like this school, it's very comforting. I'm always seeing people every single day and I'm learning so much every day. Again, it's just literally like, I can't ask for anything better. I seriously want this to like be forever because it just feels so good. It's just so comforting, I guess. Again, like I said, since I'm like trying to make it last forever, holding on to the thought of like, oh, it's not gonna end. But also you gotta think like, are you worthy of even better? Once this thing ends, it's like, how will you know possibly if something better around the corner is going to occur? Like you don't know because again, you're not in the future. Right now is so temporary. This applies to anything though. I know, even like relationships, relationships or friends or family or work. It's like we're so used to that stability. What if you don't have the best like life in those areas, right? But then it's like so many people are so used to being comfortable. Again, it's that like comfort and that like fear of not being able to feel that again. We don't think that we're worthy to find even better elsewhere or something. Honestly, again, this applies to like all aspects of life. I feel like all of us undervalue ourselves. Oh my gosh, man, this is like going into a whole deep. I never knew that me missing school was gonna make me go into this deep conversation. Oh my gosh. Why are my conversations always so deep? I don't know. It's what you get in like 6 a.m. in the morning. But like, again, I'm just like, this cannot be so true. And so many people I feel like too are shy to maybe meet new people, or shy to like maybe quit their job, or like, you know, like stand up to their boss or whatever. And it's like, again, we undervalue ourselves and think that okay, maybe I'm meant to do this, or maybe I'm meant to be here, when really that's not the case, you know? Everything is a choice. And I think the choices we make in life really reflect who we are as people, of course. Nice, my skin is looking so glowy today. I don't know what the heck is going on. So I'm just gonna quickly put on some eyeshadow. I'm so looking forward to this. I wanna do like a smoky cranberry look. Oh my god. Then also I wanna really play with the blues and greens in here, but I don't know, because I don't think it's gonna match my shirt. Oh man, I didn't even set my face yet. I'm so glowy. Maybe I just like moisturized super well today. I don't know. I'm gonna take some shrimp because it's like pinky. Kind of reminds me of like bon fresco from like modern Renaissance. Like, even if you are comfortable with like friends, family, it's like, why can't you like build off of that? You should allow yourself also to meet new people. Anyway, ooh, this shrimp is like so nice. I'm gonna zoom in more. Still can't get over how pigmented these are. Yeah, anyway, I have a field trip this morning. So apparently I'm getting all glam for a studio field trip. Oh man. YouTube life, man. Actually, I guess I can wash this off. I'm literally doing like all glam though today. And I don't know, I might feel weird at the studio. Anyway, I'm gonna take coral. I don't know, it's like an orangey brown with like a reddish undertone. It's weird. Oh shoot, definitely. It's like red. It even looks a bit more orangey browny on the pan, but then when you put it on, it's like honestly more red. I had a feeling. Such pretty shades. Yeah, again, like this is, I guess, is a reminder to you and myself, because again, I know my school is gonna end. But honestly, again, you have to think, is this genuinely like the best that you can do out of your whole life? Is this the best position you think you can possibly be in? Because if you're hesitant about that, which honestly, when I thought about it today, I'm just like, I mean, I definitely want to be able to do better. School is obviously not my career. But then again, it's like just so fun. But then obviously I'm just like, well, yeah, I mean, like I should be able to do better. I guess just knowing that, it kind of just like puts my mind in perspective, being like, okay, I'm having a lot of fun now, but I know, again, this is kind of like a learning curve and a step towards my actual goals. I think too, it's just more of a reflection of not even, again, like your school or work. It's just like, take a step back, and even like your relationships with people, right? Like, are you shy? Like maybe you're comfortable with the people that you're around, but you want to expand on that. And like, you have to really think, again, is this genuinely the best that I can do? Because not everyone has toxic friends or family or whatever. But like, even if they're not, right? You could still grow and like add on to your own world, right? And like I hope that makes sense, honestly. But like, just know that like life is so abundant, and like don't think of yourself as this teeny person that doesn't deserve anything good in life. Don't think of yourself as some teeny tiny person that you have expectations of yourself, but you don't keep them like too high. It's like, okay, have expectations, but not too high. Society kind of grew us up into thinking that way. It's like, you can have high expectations, but not too high. And I'm just like, what is that? Any single day of the week, you should always be able to grow. A lot of people don't like doing that because it does make them uncomfortable, you know? And again, it's like, if you lose people or work in the process, like you're gonna, you know, be questioning your life because again, you lost that sense of comfort, even though better things will be coming along the way, but you just don't know it in that moment. Anyway. I'm gonna take my beautiful coral reef color because I love that kind of like cranberry shade. Oh my god, it looks so good. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do a little halo eye. And I hope everything that I made some sense. Honestly, it's still kind of early in the morning, so I really don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just kind of telling you my thoughts. Honestly, you're like my online diary, honestly. And again, hopefully I can help you in any way. I think the majority of us, like 90% of us, always think that we're not worthy of doing better. And honestly, if you think you're not worthy of doing better, then chances are you're not. You're gonna literally manifest that, and you won't find yourself being able to do better because you're literally self-sabotaging yourself by maybe not going out and finding people, talking to new people, finding new jobs, like being proactive. I think it's almost an excuse of us just not being proactive. Man, this is like, as I'm talking, I'm just like, oh, everything's just making so much more sense now. Like, honestly. But yeah, just know again, you are worthy. You were loved, you were worthy, you got this. From my highlighter. I spoke glow wrong, I just noticed that. G-O-L. Ah, that's great. Anyway, I'm gonna take this pink shade, like right in the center of my highlighter. Put it in the center of my eye. Yeah. Wow, this is so shimmery. On that note, I hope you, you know, can wish me luck on my studio exam. Yeah, it just blows my mind, like every single time. Like, I've been observing people more than usual, just from people's body language and like how they act, and like, or maybe they're not in happy relationships. It's just like from their body language and like what they say. It may be subtle, I don't know, I feel like I'm good at reading that kind of stuff. But it's like some people I just like look at and I'm just like, are you actually happy? Or you are happy, you're very comfortable, but you fear that, again, that's the only level of comfort and happiness you can get. That was not what this channel is about, folks. We're here to go after the life we want and conquer our dreams and hopes. Oh man, I'm a preacher today, I don't know. Anyway, I enjoy talking about this stuff. It's very easy eye look, honestly. I think I should probably put stuff on the bottom lash. Shrimp color, like that pink color. Yeah man, everyone is so fear-based. Like, people literally do things so much out of fear, self-sabotage themselves by, again, not being proactive. And it's just like, the more I think about it, the more I observe it. Oh my gosh, my camera literally cut off. I have no idea what I was just talking about. That's the thing I was like mentioning. It's like people may be in like comfortable relationships and like they're happy, but it's like they limit themselves to like a certain amount of comfort and happiness. Like, they don't think that there's a possible higher version of that somewhere else. Again, it's like that's when they get super afraid and like they grasp onto that relationship or job or whatever, thinking that they can't do better. So then for the rest of their lives, they're just like experiencing that one like level of, again, happiness or comfort. But then it's like, you are content, then like, okay, that's awesome. But I don't know, again, I feel like the majority of people just settle and like they're happy and comfortable, but again, they're not like thriving or anything, you know? So again, our community, this channel, literally, it's about thriving, okay? We're not settling for anything. We're not. Because again, the last thing I want in life is regret. And I think it all honestly adds up to that, leads up to that. Because like regret is like the scariest thing. And I think again, it all leads up to that. It's like, oh, I should have done this, I should have done that. It's like, I don't want to feel like that, or like what could have been. And again, I would rather lose knowing that I've tried than not even try at all and just living with regret, because again, regret is like the most horrible feeling in the world. Anyway, well, that was like the fastest I've ever done liner. I'm just gonna quickly curl and apply mascara to my lashes. Yeah, I think also a lot of people, like, they're just afraid of being lonely as well. They miss that community or whatever, that person. And I'm like, people are so afraid of loneliness. Obviously, it's like human nature to like not want to be lonely. Like, we're meant to be in like tribes and communities and all that kind of stuff, like a historical standpoint. But the thing is, it's like we're not surviving anymore. Like, we're in a society, we're in a civilized society where like we can afford to be alone, and like our instincts are like, oh my gosh, I need human contact or whatever, or security. But then again, it's like there's always gonna be other opportunities around the corner. You just have to understand that and get that around your head, because again, I am trying to understand that. Because again, we just rely back to our like historical, you know, cave people instincts that honestly don't really need to be applied to like today's society. So again, You're good. You should be good. I'm going to apply my lashes underneath. Again, I've just been loving how my lashes look when I apply them underneath. Honestly, again, the moral of the story is as long as you do at least 1 or 2 things, or as much as you can, honestly, every single day to be proactive, you are winning. Again, as long as you are trying your best every single day and you know that you're, again, giving it your all towards like any aspect in life, then you already are on your way to happiness, just because you're not gonna have to deal with that regret of like, what if, because I haven't tried, because you have, right? So I would rather lose knowing that I've tried and I won't have any regret, as opposed to having a lot of regret and just being comfortable, you know? Anyway. I'm like seriously so excited because tomorrow after my exam, when I do pass, because I know I will, I scheduled my first eyelash extension appointment and I'm so excited. That is going to be my reward to myself, just to treat myself after when I do pass, because again, I know I'm going to pass. Gotta think good thoughts. And also I studied like a lot for this test, so as long as nerves don't take the best of me, I will definitely pass this. I just love how my lashes look underneath. They just look not as artificial. But then hopefully by tomorrow, I will have, technically today because I'll be posting this Thursday. Also, I'll maybe post a story seeing if I pass. I'll let you all know. I'm just gonna put the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in Rebel Rose because this is like my favorite liquid lipstick. I've been wearing this every single day and I feel like it'll just, it matches my eyes. Nice. So this is the look. So it's very monochromatic almost. Maybe next time we can play with more colors from that palette. I don't know, I just was feeling more of a simple look, even though literally before I started filming I was like, I'm gonna use greens, I'm gonna use blues. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed watching. I hope you all, you know, could do your makeup with me, or again, if you're just listening to this in the background, hopefully you know, I could start your day on the right note with some inspiration or positivity. I'm also gonna top it up with my Tarteist lip paint in Instafamous. I totally forgot. Like, where's my gloss? I always put on gloss after. And setting spray, oh my gosh. Gloss and setting spray is like the seal for my makeup. I was already so glowy, I think. That's why I never put on setting spray. Nice. Well, I hope you have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday and Thursday. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't know. Today, you got this. Go after what you want. Do a little quick reevaluation, because I think I've done that. For instance, I've done that in the shower this morning. But I think it's healthy. I think you have to really know where you are, how you truly feel inside, to really know what direction you want to take in your life. Anyway, I will cut it off here and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.